burning of a magnesium ribbon. How to determine that a chemical reaction has taken place? Let's perform this activity to understand. We have taken a clean magnesium ribbon after removing the oxide layer from it and a Bunsen burner. Burn the magnesium ribbon using a Bunsen burner and observe. We see that the magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into white powder. This powder is magnesium oxide. Due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air, a new substance called magnesium oxide is formed. It is a state change of magnesium to magnesium oxide. Change in state is one of the observations to determine a chemical reaction.